Oh, look at the doggo. Woo! Right now we're doing some work on this thing. I just changed the spark plugs, gapped them and everything. And we are currently making a lip. I don't know where the lip is now. It's probably right there somewhere, but this thing is looking fresh. Look at it. We have a lip. So as for where the lip came from, there's this old bumper out here. And we took off the bottom, flipped that upside down, and that's gonna be the lip of the Corolla. So we had to remove the bumper because the lip is not sticking on with double-sided tape.
Because the tape is 30 years old?
Yeah, and the tape's kind of 30 years old or some shit, I don't know. I personally don't like the grill, but comment down below if you think this should go back.
Merci, das. Dit so lustig, das Badge drauf. AMG.
If it was the old school style grill, I would have loved it, but I just don't like this grill.
Nu is het toch wel nog. Je ziet er nog zo die dingetjes tussenuit komen. Spoiler!
Beautiful. So we got out here one e-brake, one bicycle bar, some BMX grips. Make this thing a little custom. Have a nice e-brake. It doesn't look like shit. It actually feels somewhat great.
What? We got that live on tape. Nice. Dat was your last bar.
This is the current model that I'm working on. This is the stock e-brake. I cut this whole thing out. Tube sits a little deeper. We have more grip surface and it's extended by about 1 inch maybe, I would say. So a little more leverage. And we finna just weld it up right here. And I think that should be good. Can't see that ever break anyway, so. So for this car, we were trying to fit something as a roof spoiler. Gonna make something out of fiberglass, and then it's gonna be a little bit of a process to make it. But there's really nothing aftermarket, and like I just love the look of roof spoilers. After that, we kind of want to do something with the trunk, have some kind of a run-free type wing. Fitted a new handbrake. Took a little while to make, but it's so much nicer than what I had in here before. It came till around right here, so not that long. Now it's extended for more leverage, and we made a cutout because this piece goes all the way into like right here. Cut all that away, so we have a nice round grip, BMX grip. Looks really good. And other than that, I deleted my blinker system right here. So there's this huge box. As you guys can see, it looks disgusting. Like, look at this thing. It's all exposed and stuff, and like, it doesn't look right. I'm finna put a switch right here. Man, the lighting is real bad, but we're finna put a switch right here. Headlights to be dim, fully on, and then I'm gonna wire something up here to be my hazards. So at least I want to have some control over the lighting, but I don't want to have that huge disgusting piece of electronics out there. As for this thing right here, I'm doing like some maintenance on it. Yesterday and today I did like a shifter rebuild completely. All the bushings, the rubbers, clean everything out because the old bushing has completely disintegrated. It was like, there was just chunks of like whatever rubber was left, just chunks. We're gonna be cleaning the entire engine bay, so it's gonna be like nice looking, you know? Right now it's not that nice looking. It's pretty disgusting looking. Everything will be cleaned up. And I'm gonna be tuning some of the stuff on the engine, like the carburetor, the ignition and all that. We're gonna do some compression tests. We're gonna test the radiator and stuff, all the coolant lines and stuff, because it seemed like maybe something could be leaking in the heater core. It's like a lot of things that's got to be done with this car, but it's gonna be pretty nice when it's done. We also got some wheels ready for this thing, and for the wheels we just gotta get some lug nuts. So these have these old American style lug nuts. It's like a special size. I can't really get it anywhere. I gotta go to some specialty shop or like order them online. I'm still looking around for them, but like it's pretty hard to find. We had these centric rings made, custom, 3D printed, because the alloy ones, they kind of get stuck and you don't want that, you know? Fitted a custom steering wheel on this thing. It's pretty nice, gotta say. It's blue though, but I'm not picking up a lot of light right now with this lens, but it looks good. Brand new. Then right here, all of this is still open. I just put it in so nothing like dirt and whatever can fall in, because you want to fill the transmission through here with 8.6s and Corollas and whatnot. You can actually fill the transmission through this because nice and easy. It's just, you can just pour the bottle down here and then you just leave the fill plug open and keep an eye on it until it drops, and then you just quickly close the fill plug. And as you guys can tell, this one doesn't have an RPM gauge. So some of the Japanese models, and like it's pretty rare to come by the dual cluster ones, like I have a Measurement, the drift car. So we're gonna be wiring up some RPM gauge. We're gonna put it somewhere, probably up on the hub. I'm not sure yet. We still gotta look around for the best option, but we're gonna be wiring a RPM gauge in this thing. It's dark outside. So dark outside, man. Look at it. Can't see shit.